Number 4. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer. In the world of air fryers, the Ninja DZ201 stands out as the best dual basket air fryer you can find. One of the standout features is its 2 independent baskets, allowing you to cook 2 foods at the same time without any flavor mixing. With DualZone technology, you can take advantage of the Smart Finish function to ensure both dishes finish cooking simultaneously. The match cook setting is perfect for when you have a larger batch of the same food to prepare, making cooking a breeze. The 8-quart capacity is a game changer, letting you whip up family-sized meals or large batches of snacks like French fries or chicken wings. The separate heating zones in each basket ensure even cooking, while the wide temperature range offers versatility for various cooking techniques. Plus, the easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. One of the things you'll love the most about the Ninja Foodi is its ability to cook with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The air fryer's 6-in-1 functionality means you can air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate all in one device. The XL capacity and innovative features truly set it apart from similar models on the market. If there's one thing to nitpick about the Ninja DZ201 Foodi, it would be the learning curve when figuring out all the different functions. However, once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. For a versatile, efficient, and convenient cooking experience, check out the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer. Still searching for the perfect air fryer? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Instant Vortex 9-quart Air Fryer with VersaZone technology. If you're in the market for a large capacity air fryer, the Instant Vortex 9-quart is the one to beat.